Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to toggle Crosshair X. Okay, so the default toggle or the default keybind for you to toggle your crosshair on Crosshair X is just the Shift plus Alt plus Z. Okay, again, Shift Alt plus Z. There you go. Now, if you want to change that, you can go ahead over to your Crosshair X menu. In here, we have the keybind section. Okay, and by the way, you can just go ahead and toggle it on or off right here at the very top. Just click on this visibility section. Okay, as you can see here at the center of my screen. And if you want a custom keybind, well, just go ahead over to customizations and keybinds right here. Select the profile, okay? And then, as you can see here, the global toggle, which I have told you earlier, Shift Alt Z, you can go ahead and click on it to change it. If you want to, let's say I'm going to go ahead and change it to Shift Alt plus maybe F10 or 0. There you go. Now I'm going to press this keybind, Shift Alt plus 0. As you can see here, it's gone. Okay, again, 0. Here we have it again. All right. Now, if you want to know how to switch between multiple crosshairs in Crosshair X, we have a separate video for that. Just go ahead and look it up in the channel. Okay, the title is how to switch between multiple crosshairs in Crosshair X. Okay, but that's it for now. That is how we toggle our crosshair here in Crosshair X. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.